This is lesson 1-3, greater numbers. In this lesson I have a lot of practice examples, so I hope that when you get to a practice problem you'll remember to pause the video and think about what the answer is before you continue. You already know how to read and write numbers in the thousands. Today you'll learn how to read and write greater numbers. Example of this is the number 198,397. It's how many people live in the city of Tacoma. Where have you seen numbers with more than 4 digits? Look at this number in red. Imagine this is the number of people watching a parade. How can you say this number in word form? This number is said 315,687. How can you use this place value chart to show the number in expanded form? You can put each of those digits into a box in the place value chart. That helps you understand it in expanded form. Remember, we put the smallest place value on the right. Each place is 10 times the value of the place to its right. Let's read the place values together. Start with the ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. What place is to the left of the thousands place? 10,000s is to the left of the thousands place. The number in the 10,000s place is 10 times the value of the number in the thousands place. How can you write the number 315,687 in expanded form? 300,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 7 is how we write it in expanded form. What's the value of the sixth in the number 562,422? The value is 60,000. One vocab word for this lesson is period. When we talk about the word period in math, we mean a period is a group of 3 digits in a number starting from the right. One period is separated from the next using a comma. On this slide, I've highlighted each period in the number 562,422. The thousands period is highlighted in yellow, and the ones period is highlighted in purple. Here are some more numbers with their periods highlighted. Notice there's always 3 digits in each period. I like to think of each period of numbers as a family because they all have the same last name. When we read big numbers, we read each period as a group and we say the last name. All the yellow periods on this slide have the same last name, and that's thousands. We don't say the last name for the purple period, but it would be ones. Look at this number, for example. The numbers in yellow are the thousands period. How would you say this number? How would you say this number? How would you say this number? And here it is a little different because there's not 3 numbers in the thousands period. If we were to put a digit in front of the 99, it would be a 0. How would you say this number? How would you say this number? How would you say this number? Okay, we're going to write numbers in standard form. So here's the number 342,607. Right now at home, try writing it down in standard form the regular way. There's your answer. Here's another number, 98,320. Pause the video so you can write it down in standard form. And there's your answer. Here's a number in expanded form. Pause the video so you can write this in standard form. There's the number in standard form. Here's another number in expanded form. Here it is in standard form. Here comes a tricky challenge question. This was difficult in class today for many students. How would you write this number in standard form? This is a tricky one because one of the place values is 0. Which value is 0? There is a 0 in the thousands place because there's no number followed by 3 zeros. In expanded form, you do not write plus 0. But in standard form, zeros are important and they cannot be skipped. Here's how you write that number in standard form. Notice the 0 in the thousands place. Let's try another one where the place value is 0 in one place. There it is in standard form. Notice the 0 in the 10,000s place because there's no number followed by 4 zeros. Ramos says the value of the digit 7 in this number above is 70,000. Do you agree? Why or why not? No, we don't agree. The 7 is in the 100,000s place. Its value is 700,000. What's the value of the 9 in the number 379,050? 9,000. What's the value of the 7 in the number 379,050? 70,000. What's the value of the 3 in that number? 300,000. What's the value of the 9 in that number? 9,000. What's the value of the 5 in that number? 50. In the textbook and on the homework today, you'll be asked to write the place of the underlined digit. This means you need to write the word 10,000s if it's in the 10,000s place, or hundreds if it's in the hundreds place, etc. Use the place value chart in the textbook if you need to. Let's practice. What's the place of the 7 in the number 379,050? Its place is 10,000s. What's the place of the 3 in that number? Its place is 100,000s. What's the place of the 5 in that number? Its place is tens. In the textbook and at home today, you will also need to find missing numbers. This is the same as finding the value of an underlined digit. So for example, they will give you a number like 16,417, and then they'll give you an expanded form number, same number written in expanded form, but they'll put a blue box in as a mystery. You need to write what goes in that blue box. Here, for example, a 6,000 goes in the blue box because 6,000 is missing from expanded form. Try this one. What number goes in the blue box? $7,000 goes in the blue box. Try this one. What number goes in the blue box? 30 goes in the blue box. That's the end for today. Remember to let me know if you have any suggestions for improvement or any problems viewing or hearing this video. Thank you.